Hello, my name is Nick Murray.
And I'm Cami Murray, and our game is Garden Contest, Show Gnome Mercy.
So the way it works is that you and your opponents are neighbors competing in the upcoming neighborhood gardening competition. And so you must design your garden in a way that will impress the judges the most.
Yeah, and the inspiration for this game actually came from an old Goosebumps episode called Revenge of the Lawn Gnomes.
In the episode, there is also a gardening contest where one man's garden gnomes wake up at night and sabotage his neighbor's garden.
While designing and playtesting this game, we wanted our players to be able to feel the contrast between the tranquility of designing your garden by day and the hostility of making your gnomes attack your neighbors by night.
Players will feel a serene sense of pride and accomplishment as they creatively design their garden's theme and features in a way that attracts wildlife and impresses the judges. They will also hunger for gnomeful vengeance upon those who dare vandalize their magnificent garden.
We hope you consider our game for the next round, and we look forward to sharing more with you about Garden Contest, Show No Mercy.
Oh my.